and meet one gutsy person. Nakatira sa Manila, nagtatrabaho sa Quezon City, pero sa Baguio nag-audition si Joel Amper, also known as PM. And behind that happy and gay facade,
Alam mo naman, pag buhay ng bakla, kailangan matulungin ka sa family mo. Family first. Naging performer na ako at ganito ang trabaho ko. As long as gusto mo akong malaitin, wala sa akin. Hindi mo naman ako pinapakain. Hi, good evening, Miss Chris, Miss Ai.
Anong name mo?
My name is BM.
Eh, anong gagawin mo?
I'll be singing.
Okay. PM, go!
Thank you.
Alo.
perfect horse sound coming from a human being I have ever heard.
Pagkain lang po, sabi ng pag-ibig.
Talagang di ba po pwede?
Lumipat na pwestong lalaki, banal na aso, saktong kabayo, natatawa ko. Banal na aso, saktong kabayo, natatawa ko. Sa'yo.
Thank you.
BM?
Yes, madam.
Initials lang ba yung BM?
Mm-hmm.
Ano yun? Anong...
Big mouth.
BM, I have a question. Kanina parang may birds, di ba?
Mm-hmm.
So, kaya mong birds, kaya mo ang horse. Ano pang kaya mo?
Marami kang alam na ganyan. Ano pa? Alam mo, kahit nakakatakot yung gumaganon ka, isa kang napakagaling na performer.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Gumaganon.
You are proof na, alam mo yung, the costume, of course, is stunning. But the performance is even more breathtaking.
Thank you.
You're amazing.
Thank you.
Let's vote. Ako, yes!
Absolutely, yes.
That goes for me also, it's a yes.
Thank you.
Congratulations, BM. See you sa next round.
Thank you.
May tinatago palang kakaibang talentong si Big Mouth. And because of that, Big Mouth got big yeses from the judges.